Whoa, Mel, what's that? Is it a puppy? Sarah, it's a robot puppy. A robot puppy? Hello? Whoa! What does it do? It does a lot of tricks. Whoa! Patty, come here. You have to see this. Huh? Someone's talking to me? Oh, what's this? Whoa! Wow! It's a robot puppy, Patty. Oh, I don't understand what it says because it's speaking robot language. Oh! And I control it with this remote. Look! Wow! Oh, Mel, I want to try a trick with it. Tell it to stand on its legs. Puppy, stand on your legs. Wow! Oh, now me. Now I want to tell it. Go ahead, Patty. Tell it. Puppy, stand on your legs. Whoa! Mel, this is amazing. Does it know more tricks? Yes, it knows a lot. Watch. Puppy, slide. Oh, it's like you're dancing. Again. Puppy, slide. Wow! I love this too. Puppy, give me your paws. Very good. Ha, now me. Puppy, move your paws. Whoa! Whoa! This robot puppy knows how to do so many things. Does it know how to swim? It knows how to swim? Puppy, swim! Whoa! Sarah, tell the puppy to go up, down, down. Puppy, up and down. Whoa, it's dancing! So much fun! What else? What else can it do? My puppy also exercises. Really? Whoa! I don't understand what it says, but it's amazing! Mel, can you tell it to dance again, please? Puppy, dance again! Dance, puppy! Oh! Dance, puppy, dance! It's such a fun puppy! Huh? What's that noise? Oh, it's my phone! I think someone's calling me. Can we stay and play with the puppy? Yes, Mel, take our call. All right, little ones. Here's the remote control. Awesome! The remote control! Take good care of it, little ones, please. Mel, your phone! Yes, I'm going. I'll be back. Don't worry. We'll take care of the robot puppy. How does Mel play with this? I don't get it. Let me see. I think I know how it works. I'm gonna press this button. Ha ha ha! It works! Now make it dance. Ouch! Ouch! Puppy, dance! No, make it dance! That wasn't the bottom. Sorry, then I'll try another one. This one here. No! That's not the bottom to make it dance either. Oh, Sarah, I don't understand anything. It has to be one of these. Oh! Don't press the buttons like crazy. You're going to break it. Give me the control. It's mine. It's mine. Give it to me. Give it to me. What just happened? Puppy! Puppy! Its eyes turned off. Press the buttons. Oh, I'm pressing them. It's not working. Oh no, its eyes are still off. Sarah, you broke it. I didn't break it, it was you. Patty, we broke Mel's toy. Oh no, she's going to be mad and she'll take away our dessert. Aww. I have an idea. Maybe it's sick or broken. I need to get my medical kit. Maybe I can fix it. I'll be right back. It's super heavy. With this, we'll fix the puppy. The main problem is that its eyes won't turn on. We need to examine it. Stay still, puppy. Don't move. It seems like no electricity is reaching its eyes. Because robots need energy. Maybe the energy comes from these blue things. We'll use this instrument to check its ears. Stay calm. You'll have energy again soon. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Oh no. This isn't the source of the energy. I think I feel it a bit warm. Hey Sarah, energy makes objects a bit warm, right? Yes, it raises the temperature. Then we need to check its temperature. Oh, what a good idea! We'll use this to check your temperature. Let me try. Alright. What's happening? Oh wow, its temperature is very low. Oh no, that means the energy isn't here either. What if we give it a little pinch? A pinch to wake it up. We can give it lots of pinches with these tweezers. Ha ha ha! Right here on its little paw. Oh! Let's try its back paw. Oh no, it's not working either. Puppy, please answer. Oh yes, thank you so much. See you later. Oh no, Mel finished her call. She'll be here any minute. Oh no. Girls, I'm back. Huh? What's happening? Why are you crying? Oh, Mel, we're so sorry. We broke the puppy. Please don't punish us. Oh, no. Let's see. What's wrong with the puppy? I was examining it, and it seems like it has no energy. Yes, because its eyes are off. Oh, girls, if that's the case, we just need to give it a little energy boost. Here.
Hi, 小朋友，要认真的。
Oh, now you fixed it. What a good job you did. The little dog was just turned off, so we didn't break it. Everything's okay, little ones. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Hi, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.